around here. 5 minutes later.
教你魔风，你要风马快落，疯疯癫癫到处冲人也。
There ain't no money around here in these woods. Why no money here? Find it now! There ain't no money around here, you fake rice gum! You already rich! And KK got all the money in these streets! Oh, are you defying me, white man? You yellow nigga! I ain't working here no more! You dead now, white man! Get this whack boy out of here! You guys in the wrong side of the road, man! See you another redneck. Oh no, I'm out of ammo! Somebody here! Does somebody need to help to collect them tricks? Did they legends are true? It's him! It's clapping time! Man, look at this cowboy from 1899. Let's go bust a cap in his butt. Hello, neighbor. It seems that the yellow man is after for you, boy. Yeah, man, he cranky as cornflakes. It seems like a good neighbor like you needs some money. I'm currently on a journey to find the legendary gold of the ancient hobo clan. There's a booty price for it, but it will get us some money. Will you join me, Carl Weezer? You know I gotta give me some money, nigga. Another follower for my journey. But first, we must take care of that Asian man. But I got an old friend that can really deal with his cheeks. It seems that fate have led Woody and Carl Weezer teaming up together to go and hunt for the legendary gold of the ancient hobo clan. However, someone else's fate is almost here. Yeah, give me the gold, Kincaid. Yeah, I got rid of that Carl Weezer so that prophecy don't come true. Where am I? Where am I? Oh! Oh!
Holy Jesus!
Who are you? Ever heard of Smash Mouth? Oh no, it can't be. Look, I know we had some fun, but can we be cool, you know? You have no right saying that word, you Look, I'm sorry for your friend. Donkey, we couldn't send him, you know? You know, we had to do it for our dynasty, you know? Well, it seems like your time is up. Ever heard of Shrek is Love, Shrek is Life? No, man, why? Somebody help! Somebody help!
Holy Jesus! Holy Jesus!
Signal! It's in here! Well, it seems like that they're all coming after me. You're gonna pay for what you did! No, you're gonna pay for what you did to